Well, you know what? I'm hungry. I'm gonna go sing.
Hello?
Hey man, I'm hungry.
Yeah, bro?
How long will it take you to get that chicken over here?
I'll be home in a second. Okay. I'm coming up. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this. Oh! 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 Ah! No way, they can't be winning. No. One. Yes. Oh my goodness! The chicken! Woo!
Yes.
I'm so scared.
What, dude?
Peyton,
What?
I had a chicken.
What chicken?
This crazy chicken. It wasn't
What
just
are
a
you
chicken,
talking-
it was a crazy chicken.
Are you sure?
I swear to you.
Are you crazy?
Man, it was so crazy. It was a crazy chicken. Like, I hate the chicken. I got in the car, and I picked it up, and it was staring at me.
It was staring.
Yeah, bro.
Are you sure?
This chicken was staring at me, man. And so
I
I threw the chicken.
You threw it.
I threw the dead chicken.
What the heck?
And now it's chasing after me, dude.
You're crazy.
I looked out the window, man.
I don't believe
It
you.
was staring at me. It was all bloody.
I don't believe
And
you.
all the chicken's gone.
That's hard to believe, man.
No, this chicken.
Oh. Why is all my chicken gone? I don't care if you saw another chicken. You were supposed to get my chicken. Dude, I don't believe you.
Man, it was staring at me when I got inside.
That doesn't make any sense, dude. I don't believe you. I want my
It was a
chicken.
crazy chicken.
I want my chicken.
That was really
I want you now.
If you don't believe me, you don't have to. I'm warning you that chickens will come after you, Peyton.
Alright,
They'll come
fine.
after you.
I don't care. Bye.
One, two, three. My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But really wanna be can't stand to see me walk out the Thank God for mom and dad because we don't know how.
Hey. Ah. So our chickeny, and he's dead.